NotebookLM just got insane. You can now build videos, tables, and research in seconds, no video skills needed. I'm showing you the exact process right now. This will change how you create content forever. Let's do this. Okay, NotebookLM just dropped something huge. Google upgraded it with Gemini 3, and now it can build entire videos for you automatically. You upload your documents, your PDFs, your links, and it creates professional videos with voiceovers and slides. No editing, no recording, nothing. Plus it can build data tables, research reports, and infographics all from the same sources. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use this, and I'm going to show you real examples for building content that gets you leads and customers. By the end of this video, you'll know how to automate hours of work. Let's go. First, what can NotebookLM actually do now? It has 4 big features you need to know. Number 1 is video overviews. You upload your content, it generates a full video with AI narration and slides, and you can customize the style, the language, everything. Number 2 is data tables. You upload customer feedback or research. It organizes everything into tables. Then you export it straight to Google Sheets. Number 3 is deep research. It pulls information from multiple sources automatically, like PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, and images all in one place. Number 4 is studio tools. This is where you create infographics, slide decks, and flashcards all automatically generated from your uploads. Now here's why this matters. Most people waste hours creating content manually, writing scripts, editing videos, making slides. NotebookLM does all of it in minutes, and the quality is actually good. Let me show you how to use it. Step 1, go to notebooklm.google.com and create a new notebook. Step 2, upload your sources. You can upload PDFs, Word docs, links to articles, YouTube videos, or images. Let's say you want to create a video about AI automation for your business. You'd upload your best blog posts about AI tools, maybe some competitor research, or your own case studies. Just drag and drop them in. Step 3, go to the studio panel. This is on the right side of your screen. Click Video Overview. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can customize everything before you generate. Click the 3 dots menu, and you'll see options for format, language, and visual style. Format has 2 options, explainer or brief. Explainer is longer and more detailed. Brief is quick and to the point. For most content, go with explainer. Language has over 80 options, so pick whatever your audience speaks. Visual style is where it gets fun. You can choose whiteboard, animate, retro print, or even custom styles. Let's say you're creating content for the AI Profit Boardroom community. You'd pick a style that matches your brand, maybe clean and modern, or bold and eye-catching. Then there's steering prompts, and this is huge. You can tell NotebookLM exactly what to focus on. For example, focus on how AI automation saves time for business owners, or explain the benefits of joining the AI Profit Boardroom for scaling with AI tools. The more specific you are, the better the output. Now click Generate. NotebookLM will process your sources and create the video. This usually takes a few minutes. While you wait, let me tell you something important. If you want to master tools like NotebookLM and automate your entire business with AI, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. We teach you how to save hours every week using AI tools, exactly like this one. You'll learn how to create content faster, generate leads automatically, and scale without hiring a big team. No fluff, just real strategies that work. Check the link in the description to learn more. All right, your video is ready. Click Preview, and you'll see the full video with narration and slides. If you want to change anything, click Edit Transcript. You can adjust the script before finalizing. Once you're happy, click Download. You can download the MP4 file or just the audio. Now you have a professional video ready to upload. But here's a pro tip. Take that video into CapCut or Descript, add B-roll footage, add captions, clean up any pauses. This makes it even more polished, and you can do all of this in under 30 minutes total. That's insane. Now let me show you some real workflows. Example 1 is creating client videos for your agency. Let's say you run an SEO agency like Goldie Agency. You want to create a video explaining your SEO strategy to a new client. Upload your competitor research, your keyword data, your content plan. NotebookLM generates a video walking through your entire strategy. Professional, clear, easy to understand. You send that to your client, they're impressed, and you didn't spend hours recording and editing. Example 2 is training your team on AI tools. You want to teach your team how to use a new automation tool. Upload the tool's documentation, some tutorial articles, maybe a YouTube video. NotebookLM creates a training video, plus you can generate flashcards and quizzes for them to study. Your team learns faster and you save time on training. Example 3 is content creation for your community. Let's say you're building content for the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to create a video about the latest AI tools for business growth, upload articles about the tools, case studies, your own notes, add a steering prompt like focus on how these tools help business owners automate marketing and get more leads. NotebookLM builds the video, you review it, make small edits, upload it, done. You just created high quality content in a fraction of the time. Now here's what most people get wrong. They upload random sources and expect perfect results. That doesn't work. You need to be strategic about what you upload. Use high quality sources, documents you've written, trusted articles, real data. The better your input, the better your output. Also tag your sources. NotebookLM lets you organize everything with tags. This makes it easy to find specific content later and experiment with different visual styles. Some styles work better for certain topics. Try a few and see what fits your brand. Another tip is to export often. If you're creating data tables or research reports, export them to Google Sheets regularly. This keeps everything organized and you can share it with your team easily. Now let's talk about the mobile capture feature. You can upload sources directly from your phone, take a photo of a document, record a voice note, save a link. All of it syncs to your notebook. This is perfect for capturing ideas on the go and then turning them into content later. The deep research feature is also powerful. It pulls information from multiple sources automatically. So if you're researching a topic, NotebookLM does the heavy lifting. It finds the best info, organizes it, summarizes it. You just review and use it. This saves hours of manual research. Here's the thing. NotebookLM isn't just a note-taking app anymore. It's a full content creation system. Videos, tables, research, infographics, slide decks, all from one tool. And it's powered by Gemini 3, which means it's smarter and more accurate than before. Fewer mistakes, better reasoning, cleaner outputs. If you're creating content regularly, this is a game changer. Now, there are some limits. The free version has usage caps. If you're a heavy user, you might need the premium tier. But for most people, the free version is plenty to start. Let me give you one more example. Say you want to create an explainer video about the AI Success Lab. You upload your community overview, member success stories, AI use cases, add a steering prompt like explain how the AI Success Lab helps entrepreneurs automate their businesses with AI. Pick a clean visual style, generate the video. Now you have a professional video explaining your community. You can use it for ads, social media, email campaigns, and you made it in under 20 minutes. That's the power of NotebookLM. It takes your ideas and turns them into finished content fast. All right, let's wrap this up. NotebookLM with Gemini 3 is a must-have tool for content creators. It automates video creation, data organization, and research. Go to notebooklm.google.com and start a new notebook. Upload your sources, use the studio panel to generate videos, tables, or infographics. Customize with steering prompts and visual styles. Download and polish your content and start saving hours every single week. Now, if you want the full process, the exact SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. You'll get all the video notes, step-by-step guides, and access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Links are in the comments and description below. And if you're serious about scaling your business with AI automation, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We go deep on tools like NotebookLM and show you how to build entire systems that run on autopilot. No hype, just results. Try NotebookLM today, build your first video, and comment below what you created. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.